Hi, right now we are going to learn about how to use distort transform for fixing an image or for placing an image inside a monitor or in an angle. So let's take a look how you will apply the distort transform in an image in Adobe Photoshop. So as like before, we have to open our exercise file, and therefore you just have to click on File menu, and here is the Open option. And inside our exercise file, you will get this Alienware Unsplash image. This is an image of a gaming computer, so you just have to select it and then you have to click Open. Okay, here we go, and you can take a look. We got some grid view, and if you don't want to use this grid view, then you just have to press Ctrl or Command H button from your keyboard, H for horse. So, and if you want to use the grid button, in that case you just have to use this view menu, and from there you will get this show option, and here is a grid option. Okay, as well as the ruler, grid, and all the others. So we're not going to use the grid or rulers. Okay, so this is an image of a gaming computer, and we want to place another image inside this monitor. So how you will do that? You can do that very easily, but there is an issue. You can take a look. The position of this monitor is slightly angled. That's why you won't be able to place a default or a general image properly. So let's take a try. Therefore, we have to embed another image from our exercise file, and I'm not going to use the open option, because when I'm going to use the open option, the image will open in a new tab, but I don't want it. I just want to place the image inside this image. That's why I'm going to use place embedded option. So where you will get the place embedded option, can you remember it? Yeah, you are right. Here is the file menu, and here is the place embedded option. So let me click on here. Here we go. We have a number of images in our exercise file, and from there I want to pick this Herson Rodriguez Unsplash image. This is an image of a yellow van, and I'm going to use this image. So you just have to select it, this Herson Rodriguez Unsplash image, and then you have to click place. Okay, here we go. This is the image. So let's take a try to place this image inside the monitor. Okay, we do have the fittings or settings for scaling, so you just have to use the mouse, and we got this scale option because we used place embedded option. So let me place it here. Is it really looks good? Is it really looks like this image is placed inside the monitor? Is it looks really good? Of course not, because the position of the monitor is angled, and that's why we have to use a distort transform option for placing this image properly inside the monitor. So let's use the distort transform. Okay, so we're going to use the distort transform, but please make sure this Herson Rodriguez Unsplash layer is selected, and then you just have to go with the edit menu, and then you will get this transform option, and inside the transform option you will get this distort option. Okay, now you will have the pointer for scaling, and with the distort transform you will be able to change the angle of this image, and that's why you will be able to place this image perfectly inside the monitor. Okay, how it's look like right now? You can hit the intro button right now, or you can just click on this tick mark. Is it looks good right now? Yes, it is, because we used the distort transform for setting up this image with the angles, and for changing the direction of the image with the appropriate angle, you have to use distort transform. So this is an easy way, and I should have to say you that please do practice with this lesson so you can keep in your mind how to use distort transform in Adobe Photoshop. So see you in next lesson.